I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add a debit card to your BNP Paribas account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the BNP Paribas app. Launch the BNP Paribas mobile application on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the card section. Once you're in the app, find the menu and select the card section. This is where you can manage your debit cards. Step 3. Select Add a new card. In the cards section, look for the option to add a new card. Tap on it to proceed with adding your debit card. Step 4. Enter card details. You will be prompted to enter your debit card information, such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Ensure all details are correct to avoid errors. Gotcha! If you accidentally enter the wrong CVV, the app will prompt you to re-enter it, so double check before submitting. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card details, review the information and tap Confirm to save the card to your account. You should receive a confirmation message once it's successfully added. That's it. You've successfully added your debit card to your BNP Paribas account. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!